He's having a good time. Whoop! Oh. Giddy up, horsey, go! Arm wrestle. No! Oh my god, it's there! Oh my god! Oh look!
That's so funny, literally. He's like, hello? You were not listening to me?
Mr. Peacock!
I fed one out my hand before, but like, I haven't got anything, don't know what to do with it.
Oh, 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 oh.
They do eat out right out of your hand. I know, I was a bit worried.
Oh, it is nice, isn't it?
It's gorgeous. I hope.
I go for that.
The thing is, his feathers. Oh, hammer. I think one might be coming. Oh, the chickens are coming.
Hi.
Can you feed them bread?
I don't know.
Hello.
I ain't got anything.
Do you want some bread?
No, you shaking your little.
Shake your little tail feathers.
There, there's bread.
Yeah, it's in there. Go in.
Hello.
Jesus.
Oh, okay, okay. Uh-oh. Serious, I've got a crowd of chickens. I'm running out. I'm running out of bread. Wee.
My God, it's like they've never been fed.
Go.
You missed the peacock.
I don't have any more.
Go get some more.
Hello. Hello. Oh, come in. Calm down.
Oh, don't pick him.
Watch my toes. Just
Do it over there, Lucy.
Go on then, go get it. No? You want them over here? What do you eat fast?
The-
Do you not get fed in the morning or something?
Oh, look.
Yeah.
Are those the birds?
Yeah, those are the birds that we've got in the nest.
What do you want some over there?
They're gorgeous. They're swallows, aren't they?
Well, couldn't fathom out whether they were swifts, sorry, or or swallows. Sorry. Look, look! Did you see it? Nearly went in
I
then.
was watching the one up here on the top of the.
Oh, it's just gone under. Did you see it? He wants to go in. Lucy, can you just step back one bit? Step back a little bit. I think the swallow. Do you think it's a swallow?
I don't know.
I think the birds might go in. Oh, there's a peacock again.
The peacocks eat bread.
I think they tend to eat out your hand, so I'd say yeah.
Yeah, I would.
Oh yeah, but good luck trying to get them.
Oh, look, he's eating the bread
He
off
is,
the floor.
okay.
Yeah.
I was going for my feet there.
Okay, I'm sorry. You still got some in your mouth. Stop being greedy. Can I take them over there? Hey! Stop it!
There we go.
Oh, I got that one, Hannah.
Where did I stash in my hand? Over my...
No more. It's all gone.
Almost, but do you know what he did? I went to get the peacock one, wasn't I? I realised. There you go.
Lucy, I think. You keep the chickens occupied.
Take my hand, please. Go. Okay.
Can you shed some feathers for us, please?
It seems to have...
I think I'll have a walk around later. I'm sure there'll be some lying around.
I was going to say, I think it does a circuit around the build. It's done a circuit around the building, hasn't it?
Seriously, Hannah, I had it in my one hand for the peacock, and my other hand I tried to grab the rest of the bread, and I was like, no. It's on the fire bread.
Oh.
I got it.
I think it's a baby one. Oh, you got one?
It's just on the floor.
Oh. You want one with the eye on
One
it,
of
don't you?
those.
Yeah, well, a big one. Do it again, Lucy.
Jesus, you have got a food around. Mum, where's the shampoo? Oh, all three. I'm trying to get the chickens out the...
Oh, don't like that.
Oh, oh dear.
Oh, look at the baby one again up there.
Oh.
Calm down.
Who told you running? Here comes Ginny.
Look at Jimmy running.
Come on, Ginny. You can do it. Come here. Come here.
Oh my god. I ain't got that, mate.
I've literally got the last bit, Ginny. Do you want it? You're new.
Ginny, Ron, George, Fred.
Ginny. I ain't got
Harry! Harry the peacock. Oh my god.
nothing on there, mate. I ain't got any more. I'm sorry. Ginny, you came real late. Ginny's sad. She came real late.
Oh, he's picking it out one.
Good morning, welcome to day 3. Also the last full day, which is very sad. I've just got out of the shower. I was finally able to wash my hair because Mum bought shampoo yesterday. I'm washing my hair tonight, to be fair. Because and that is twice I've been in that bathroom. It's just so cool. It's very soft. Very soft. So I'm going to style it and then do the spray. Yeah. Because you can't really spray it then because it's quite dangerous. I just realised how much we have to watch because we've got Housestop Season 2 coming out today. We've got High School Musical series, full series coming out the 9th. Oh yeah, it is, and then Red, I can never say this, Red, White and Royal Blue coming out the 10th. Oh, I thought you were going to say Red Taylor's version. I was like, that's already out, mate. The book. I haven't read all of the book, but I don't have the book. Slept a little bit worse last night, don't know why. Probably because I had a nap at one point. Lucy's got her headphones on and making her porridge. She's in her zen. And I need to refill the ink in my ink pen to carry on my diary entry because I actually didn't finish my diary entry from the day we got here. So I've got here and now we're leaving, and I've got way more to write. We need to write something in the little book before we go. Do. I want us to put like our names and then put our nicknames afterwards. Great. So I'm going to be forever Wormtail in there. Set in stone now. You can't change
Lovely.
it.
Put Lily instead.
Just put Lily.
That's
That'll be like Lily. Lily should have an animal nickname. Doe. Well, yeah, duh, because she was... Duh. We did watch the Order of the Phoenix last night. My camera battery died as it ended, so I don't know if I'm combining this with the other block. We'll find out.
You're right, don't die. Sorry for wrecking your footage.
Tears were shed by me. Yeah. Because that was very sad. But
I love how you've watched it like literally over.
I know what's gonna happen,
and it's still.
It still is very emotional. I'm gonna be styling my hair after I've eaten breakfast, but I'm having frosties, much like Hannah over there.
I haven't had porridge.
You're such an attractive yawner.
I am. I haven't had porridge.
Are you making me yawn now? I'm sorry. Yawning is a natural part of the human body. So you mean natural part of human? Hello. Just look. You gingers. Well,
I've got my face stuff on, so I was like, don't. I feel like I didn't want you to get anything.
I'm a natural ginger. That's what I meant. But yeah. You're like the only one that hasn't showered. I'm showering. That makes me.
Oh, at all.
Like at all. Okay, that makes me sound really gross.
I'm gonna have a shower tonight.
With the light on. Because it has a light.
Can I please just like defend myself here? It's not because I'm gross. It's because I showered literally the day we came.
Yeah.
And we've only been here for like 2 days, so that's why.
Yeah. I just can't get enough of the shower because it's so cool. Although there was a fly in there that decided to just keep buzzing around.
Metal bathroom music on when I go in the shower.
That's what I was going to do, but the thing is my phone was dead.
Well, I'll.
And I was really wanting to put the metal bathroom music on. You've got an egg. Oh my gosh, I should take the egg into the shower. Or is that too weird? Just hold it, like... Might wreck the egg.
It's already broke.
Oh well. You'll be fine.
See, this is the... I'll show you.
This is the egg. Just take your egg and put things over in a hot water, Harry. Look! There's pig farts confirmed. Pig farts confirmed.
Have you ever watched a Harry Potter musical before? Oh my god, it's so...
Oh god, well, you know what? We should put that on the projector. So I'm gonna have to wait for my breakfast because everybody's taken the bowls. I was too late to the party. I need to wait for a bowl. Good going. Where's Lucy? Is she in her room? Hello? Oh, she's not there. Oh, she's in there. This is the aftermath of movie night. Squashed couch, dairy box with a fly on it, and big screen there. We're hopefully going to watch The Fellowship of the Ring later, because that's what Hannah wants us to watch, because I've never seen it before, so this will be very new. Hannah's somehow started a new book, because she's so fast at reading. This is, I think you already saw the outside this morning, but still, it's such a nice day compared to yesterday. Oh, Mum's outside. That's so cute. 'Tis always a party round Marauder's village. The village. I want to say it. Here we have a rabid wormtail. Why do I sound like Voldemort? And a hormonal moony.
Hormonal moon.
Hormoony.
Hormoony.
No, hormonal, not horny.
I'm not hormonal.
Fine, horny then. Fine, what adjective?
Hormonal wormtail.
Hormonal wormtail, what adjective do you want? Sexy. Sexy.
Beautiful.
Sexy moo moo. I feel like I'm gonna get loads of comments asking if we're dating just because of the amount of innuendos I've made towards you. We're not. We're not, but we will be. We will be soon. Yes. So yeah, we're having a little brush teeth party in the really cool sinks.
They are really cool.
They give off Little Mermaid.
I always said, like yesterday, I kept putting under the sea.
I've been told to vlog. I am not as good of a vlogger as my brother, so this could go horribly wrong. So we're gonna take a tour. I've been ordered to vlog, but I don't know. I'm not very good at it, so.
You'll have to tell me your thoughts though, Hannah. I will.
This is, oh, if you shouldn't have vlog your mug, Lucy. The little mug I got Lucy, it's a beetle. It says, let it be a nice cup of tea. And yeah, I saw it on Etsy and I was like, I have to get that for Lucy. It was great. It arrived really quickly, which was a relief. Very cozy, very
It's a really
cozy.
big car park. I'll show you a picture.
Da, 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 da. And plus Heartstopper Season 2 came out today, but we can't watch it yet because we've got a busy day. So I'm going to watch it when I get home tomorrow probably and have a fun, beg my father for the TV. He can watch it with us if he wants, but I don't think he will. He did watch some of Season 1 with us, but I don't think he quite understood what was going on. This is my shirt. It says, give the world good energy. I try. Sometimes I really fucking fail. Here's Mum apparently with her new daughter.
Yeah,
She don't want me anymore.
They're doing a lovely hairdressing session.
Yeah,
I have got one bobble if you need a bobble.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, I have loads in my bag.
We bought loads.
I was prepared.
We was prepared.
I was prepared.
Oh, bam. And it's right on top of the hill. So then you go down to the beach, it's right there. Also, right, I'm just saying, I know none of you want to go swimming, but we do have a leisure centre, and it does have an indoor pool.
What do you expect Lucy and Hannah to do? Sit there?
We've not got anything with us.
Can you put your head back on so I can get your
I know, but it's a bit unfair. Yeah, but imagine if this was the other way around and you were the
We're
one.
going to the sea to see the sea.
Yeah, like,
Fam will see the sun.
like if you were the
It's Hannah's beautiful princess hair. Let me see it from the back. Woo! That is absolutely gorgeous. And I did my hair, so mine looks the same. Lucy's looks the same. Mine looks the same. It's so cute. I'm gonna go put some makeup on, I think. Because I want to. As you can see, it is hard to pull Lucy away from the peacock. Hello. Is it Fox?
No.
That is a very appropriate name for you. Hello.
showing up for the camera.
Oh wow.
He's having a good time. Woo! Sorry, you can't come with us to Whitby, but you can have it with your friend the bull. Oh, look at those little like plastic mushrooms. That's so cute. Where are we off to, Remu?
Remu. Whitby.
We're off to Remu. All right then, where's David Thewlis? Look at that view over there. Lovely.
I do like some Taylor Swift. I'm like, I love it.
Really? Hello.
I know, but isn't that for the train station? Unless you want to park there.
We'll go at the back.
Here we parked.
There was one of the kids, I was just thinking, Tom Holland, there was one of the kids at school that was like, oh, Miss, who's your favourite Spider-Man? And I looked at them and I was like, you tell me your favourite Spider-Man first. And they were like, Andrew Garfield. I was like, oh, me too, because every time I say Andrew Garfield, some of the kids are like, why Andrew Garfield? I'm like, oh,
Why Andrew Garfield?
and then I have to like not swear at children. So yeah, we are on the top of the hill, which is near the seafront. I wore shorts, so, and it is a bit chilly, but
Cold.
I'll be fine. So yeah, we're gonna go peruse round Whitby. You've already seen Whitby in the day one vlog, but these guys hadn't been to Whitby on the trip yet, so we're gonna have some fun.
Oh, they were my
Great outdoors. Oh my god, look at my hair.
Oh no, it's not so bad. I've got you moving.
I went to kiss your cheek and you moved!
Let's kiss him.
I'll try that again.
Giddy up, horsey, go.
Oi, I'll drop you.
Okay.
It's okay, that's me.
Do you know what Sirius does? And I think one of you come back. I swear, if you've given Sirius a piggyback, you'll understand this. He's not doing it right now, but usually when he gets on your back, he like digs his knees into your ribs.
I can feel the inside.
Yeah, and it hurts.
Not too good, but I'm trying not to think about it. No, it's fine.
We've been up them stairs, haven't we?
We are.
Lucy just wants to get to the shops. I've hyped her up. She wants to see them. Yeah. I hyped up that stall as well. If it's gone. Ooh. I was like, Lucy, that's the wrong way. Sorry.
But it's alright.
Doing it the right way.
So
Across the bridge. It's official, guys. I'm gonna get Otis.
you're gonna get Otis.
Lucy got Winnie the Pooh. I got a Harry Potter one, and obviously Otis the cow. Duh. Look how cute that is on your bag. Oh, Harry is on my bag. Look at him.
Look at mine.
Look at Lucy's. We found the rune stones.
Is your favourite colour blue?
The answer is yes. Do you work for my brother?
Apparently, so.
No, yes. The answer is yes. Look at all these pretty stones. Oh, they're so cool. I've made a stop off at Hadley's Fish and Chips because we are hungry. I wonder what they have. Yeah, let me have a look. Ooh, we've got some selection. It's great. Which one do I want?
Okay, comment your opinion. Does Pepsi and Coke taste the same? Because I think it tastes the same.
It does not taste the same, that's bullshit.
Do you think well, yeah, but you've been having Pepsi Cherry. Of course, Pepsi Cherry ain't gonna taste like Coke.
But Pepsi itself tastes
I can't taste the difference. Me and Lucy can't taste
Even
the
if you like them both, you've got to admit they're different, surely.
I admit they're different, but like I don't. Whenever, like, it's not like I could. If you gave me one and said which one's this, I would. Whenever I ask, and I Coke, they're like, oh, we only have Pepsi. I'm like, same fucking thing, just give me it.
I hate like some
all the fairy
you want Coke and then they
having a haddock and chips. Hannah's having cod. Lucy's just having chips and gravy, I think, and the other Lucy, my sister, is having. I want to say cod. I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's so
eat that sugar.
it's a good shopping thing to do. We haven't actually bought anything yet besides the keyring. I ended up getting the Otis one and the Harry one.
Russell.
This is such a bizarre angle for me. See, like, I'm not always the best, but I can keep my arm in like a stationary position for some reason.
She like twists your hand into like submission. What? Me and Hannah did a staring contest and I won, but then me and Lucy did it and I kept like almost blinking and squinting my eyes. Apparently that's against the rules, so I had to open them and they're like really watery. No, you could see my eyes. I was doing this. You could see them. You could see my eyes. No. I was doing this. You could see my eyes. You just went. You were doing this.
Look at this delightful meal. This is how you do it in Whitby. That was some good fish and chips, specifically haddock and chips. So yeah, we're gonna go back to
I didn't want to get rid of the
Pictures. Down in a little marketplace, we both bought a beret, but Lucy has spotted the most
Bejeweled Wyland.
sassy bejeweled Wyland goggles. Mum, look at all the wax melts in there.
Oh my god, this is your head.
Yes, it is. They've got the iconic rat confrontation. That one is amazing. They've got little lily pads in the pool. Oh, I love those. I love these ones though. The miniature. We used to get these as kids. Do you remember? Right, we're on the water. There are a lot of seagulls.
We're not on the water.
Oh, we're not on the water. That would be bad. I got some clotted on the water, wading away. Yeah.
We're on water. We're not in water. We're on water.
On it.
We are gliding on the water.
We are
Jesus.
We are Jesus. We're walking on water. I got some clotted cream shortbread from one of the stores because I love clotted cream shortbread. I got a sweater that is so comfy. I can't wait to show the camera when I get back. And I got a jelly cat rabbit. I've already got one, but I found a white one. And I got a beret that I saw in this marketplace stall, which is, I've been looking for the perfect beret and I think I finally found it. It's pastel pink and it's got pearls on it. Yeah, it's pastel pink and it's got, oh, Mum's got it in her bag, but it's pastel pink and it's got pearls on it. I saw it and just said, that's the perfect beret, I need to buy that now. So I did.
That's not you.
So yeah, this is the lovely, lovely view of the waves. And it's quite calming out here. In its own weird way. There's a lot of wasps.
How very
at least I've got my shortbread.
Oh my god.
And we're gonna go to the, get some ice cream. Well, they're gonna get ice cream, we're gonna have shortbread, and then we're gonna go to the arcade and have some fun. Lucy has got a Nutella milkshake.
And I've got a salted caramel.
We're 8 out of 10.
I get 10, it's so good.
Yeah, I didn't get anything because I've got my shortbread.
20.
Put 20.
You now.
Oh my god, do they taste good?
Neither of you like Nutella.
Which one did you get?
Milky bar.
Oh my god.
Yes. Do you want to try it?
Yeah, I do. Wait. Oh, shut up. I need another sip.
Biscuit.
Oreo.
Oreo. Oh my god. Wait, let me guess what yours is.
Oh, it's amazing. Milky bar.
Sure, yes.
No way.
Oh, Milky bar. Yeah, Milky bar.
Can we go into the amusements with drinks? Or
No, I think you have
No, you can.
outside.
This is the milkshake party. Hello, you're extra tall, so I have to do that. I got you a gift.
Me?
Oh my god.
We found them in the shop. I found them and I thought, I can't believe
So cool. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Hannah didn't get you anything.
No, you didn't need to get me anything.
You can share my shortbread. No, I saw them and I was like, oh, they're only $2.99.
God.
So I thought you'd want them.
That's so cool. I'm going to put them on my lanyard, on my uni lanyard. Or maybe I'll put them on my bag or something.
And there's Lucy in a new hat.
Oh, on my jacket.
Or Mr. Smee hat. Right, me and Lucy are conquering the arcade alone, apparently. Because Lucy and Hannah
Chilling out.
are
Tired of us moving a lot.
when are we crossing the street?
when there's no cars. Lucy just goes towards whatever the Winnie the Pooh is, apparently. I want to try for an aerial really bad. But we've got to get pound coins first. Which one do you want to go on?
I'll go on this one. Do you want to go on that one?
Yeah, I'm going to go on the aerial one. I'm going to watch you first, so no pressure.
I wasn't entirely sure.
You.
No pressure, which one are you going to go for? Duh. Like you need another one.
I've gone too far that way.
No. I really want aerial.
Oh shit, I'm scared.
Go for Tigger, go for Tigger.
I was gonna go for that.
Gothland Harry Potter train station.
Leave the roundabout at the second exit.
Where Harry says goodbye to Hagrid in the first movie. So we're very excited. We can see the steam! Oh my god! Look, can you see the steam? Sheep! Something wicked this way comes! Oh my god, there is sheep in the road! Sheep! Sheep in the road! Oh my god, it's the train! Oh my god, it's the train and the sheep! We need to fucking calm down! It's just left the station, I think. More sheep! If there's any time to do this song, it's now. Double, double, toil and trouble, fire and burn and cauldron bubble. Something wicked this way comes. Little bridge. Boom. This is the vibe we want as we're going in.
Oh, definitely.
Double, double, toil. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's there! Oh my god, shit! Sorry. Oh my god. Sorry, I was feeling loud then. Shit! That was great timing, that. Something wicked this way comes.
Really good time because I'm turning right here.
Turn next right, then you will arrive at your destination on the
This is
left.
where they filmed. That was the first day of shooting. Yeah, it just was the first day of shooting, wasn't it?
Yeah.
They shot the end at the beginning.
Because Dan's eyes were irritated and Hermione had her book teeth.
Yeah, freaking out a little. So, where are we? I don't know.
Where are we?
Wow, look at that.
Did your mum lock the car?
I bloody hope so.
This is cozy. Oh, this is very cozy. This is where we sleep.
That's a freak out, right? I'm trying, it's not working.
I know.
Bye. She's braving the bridge, guys.
Can you do one of me after you've done these?
Yeah.
One like in front and then one on the bridge.
Yeah, of course.
Yay!
Yay! Hello!
I'm gonna put my jacket there.
That's my sister up there. Hannah's going as well. Harry's coming. Sirius is coming. Oh my god, this is a way better view up here.
Okay.
Look at the train station from up here. This is the freaking dream. Oh, you were on it anyway. Right.
Well, I
was on it, you're right.
Bridge, which maybe isn't the best.
Oh no, Lord. No, don't.
It caught you mid-turn as you came to the
that one.
Does it still work on Bluetooth near here? That'll be impressive.
There's no signal.
Car's not on.
Whenever.
Got the music.
Got the music! Got the music! Oh my gosh.
Oh, sorry, it's already filming and I'm talking.
Wait, give me for a hug. Hang on. Keep filming. Getting all the candid footage.
That train you saw is the half-fast train.
Oh, we just missed it!
We saw it.
Pace all day, but I don't know if you want to wait an hour.
No, because we want to watch our movie, don't we?
Yeah. Oh, it's starting to rain actually, so.
Good timing.
We'll go to the other side and see.
Coolest thing ever. I can't believe this is happening. Bye Hagrid. Bye Hagrid. Bye Hagrid. My pocket. Oh, I'm making the ambulance for everyone here. I love how you've got the music playing in your fucking pocket.
Why not? Makes it better.
That is me. Yeah, it just feels.
I'm gonna cry.
Can't actually. We just peed at Hogsmeade Station.
Yeah.
Yeah. You were about to correct me then, weren't
was.
you? It's Hogsmeade, mate. Going back onto the bridge. This is very surreal for a Harry Potter fan, I have to say. Oh my god. So amazing, look. Only Harry Potter fan knows what bit this is from, but here's a view. Hey! They're all following me up. Yeah, this is really surreal. I love it. Love it so much. Oh! Hello.
Oh, I'm so glad we did that.
Yeah, me too! I can't believe I just saw that. I don't want to start crying, but it does feel quite, you know, emotional. Yeah.
Maybe further down. Sorry.
This is the only way to go up these hills.
Sheep in the road! Oh, pigeon in the road.
Pigeon! Get on the way! Move! Pigeon! Oh wait, no, he's alright! He's flew away! Ah! Pigeon! I see that surrounding the Bulgarian. You look losing. Fuck. The wheel just went poof. Oh fuck! Padma, we're dancing! Pavati. Oh shit, wrong twin. I've got 2 left feet, mate. Woo! This feels like such a lovely countryside drive. And it's just filching his cat. Hello.
Follow the road for 4 miles.
Yes.
That's why.
1 more, guys. God, Cedric's dead now. I love how the trumpet's just cut out. Not now. Fuck. Look, you can see the Abbey there. Music doesn't really. There's the sea. That big blue thing. That's the sea. And this thing is Lucy. Lucy. She's crabby. Good sound. I will update you when we are back in the common room. We are back and ready for food. We have all of the movie essentials, including popcorn. Hello. Popcorn. You really look like Mr. Smee in that colour palette.
I don't mind, I've got it.
I do actually. It's giving Mr. Smee. It's giving Mr. Smee. I'm Disney bounding as Mr. Smee.
Mr. Smee.
We've got all the snacks for the
yeah.
Not the Hobbits. Sorry, Lord of the Rings. I've never actually seen Lord of the Rings, so Hannah is
educating you.
educating. We've got popcorn. We've got, what are those? Are those cheese sticks?
Yeah. No, they're salt and vinegar
What am I
sticks.
gonna? We've got drinks. We got. I got fruit shoot because I'm just that
I have this
badass.
because it is my favourite thing.
What is it?
Pepsi Max Cherry.
Oh,
What is it?
sorry, you mentioned
What
that
is
earlier. I completely forgot. There's Ron's car over there. Lovely car. Oh, it's funny because it feels like I've got attached to it now. It feels like home now. Is this what Harry felt like whenever he had to fucking leave? Poor guy.
Harry going home to going back to the desert.
No. In my brain, yes. Realistically, no. You're right there, mate. Oh yeah. Whereabouts is it? I couldn't actually. It's up there. Oh, shut up. Is it actually up there?
It's still a bit damp.
Little birdie.
Quite down. Well, maybe she's kind of having my feet all in. I don't know. But
I think we're all ready.
And I want to have a shower.
And you really want food.
So while you're having a shower, did you want to do your
I'm gonna have
fire thingy?
You don't have to, it's fine. I need my food anyway.
Okay, it's fine. I need to change my Dexcom, so
Come on, Smee, you can do it. I know, Mr. Smee. Ah, back in the common room. After a long day of shopping and walking and losing at arcade games that we're not actually that good at. And we got food. Oh my god. Oh yeah, Lucy made, I didn't even tell them about this. Tell them about your purchase.
The most extravagant purchase all year. I bought a Wizard of Oz. What's it? What would you
I don't
call
know,
it?
like a
Display?
miniature?
Miniature display? I don't know.
It's one of those really fancy ones, like you know when they have all the Disney really well made ones. Well, they had a Wizard of Oz one, and Lucy's that desperate to show everybody. So this is what the great purchase. It's very cool.
Look how gorgeous it is.
It's gonna look so cool in your room.
I know.
I love that that's in sepia. Those are sparkling, and then it goes into colour.
Yeah, look at Dorothy. Look at Toto.
Even the oh god, it's so pretty. I'm gonna have to give you all. Oh shit. I'll give you a haul from this angle. So I'll cover that up. When we were out,
I'm just changing my glucose.
I got myself the most beautiful beret I think I've ever seen in my life.
You know, you've been to the seaside and you get like
Look
windburn on your
at
cheeks.
this.
Are you feeling it?
Absolutely freaking gorgeous. This in the winter is going to be absolutely mental. So yeah, I got that, and I know I don't need another Jellycat bunny, but they had a shop and this one was calling out to me. So I've got my pink one and I've got a white one, and I've decided to name this one Taylor, after Taylor Swift. Because why not? And then I also got some, oh no, this is Mum's. I also got some shortbread as well, and I got this sweater that I chucked on. It's a kind of secondhand RAF men's sweatshirt, and it is so freaking good. And I got, I think I showed you this, clotted cream shortbread, which I already had some when I was there. But yes, we have bunny, shortbread, beret, and sweater, so we're all very happy, and by all I mean me. I need to eat something now.
I've done the box.
I'm hungry.
You outdid yourself on your.
Got a very lovely
bit,
view
yeah.
out here. It's so silent because it's the countryside, but
You really get to explore around.
gosh, I'm going to make myself some spaghetti hoops. Not even spaghetti hoops, just normal spaghetti. On toast.
Okay, by the way,
The cozy meal. Really? Oh my gosh. How is it already 12 past 7? What the frick?
If we start watching it now, we'll be done by 10 past 10.
That'll be fine.
Yeah, we just need to.
There's nothing like spaghetti on toast after a day of shopping. I have to say. I'm having two. Because I had toast the other day. I was like, oh, I'll have another one. I was like, oh no. And after this, we're going to tuck into the popcorn. This seems such an excessively big bowl to heat spaghetti up in. It's going to taste so good. There goes my toast. Haha, hot. Sorry. Like I didn't know toast is hot. Yeah, it's alright. We know what we need to eat. Right. So, movie snacks. There are so many of them. Oh, I should probably get the butter actually. I'm gonna miss you. But then we'll probably see each other near Christmas, won't we? We'll probably see each other near Christmas. Well, that's what we did last time. Hannah didn't mind, but she can sit on the sofa if she wants. That is a good one. Not too crispy. Fine, I won't use them tomorrow. I look dashing as it is.
I'll put them in your bed tomorrow and you're going, I really need this drink. It's the end of the world as we know it.
I'll be fine. That would be funny though. If that happens, make sure to film it. So we've got some real good comedic time.
We need to be filming our original conversation with that, so now we need to just Fake. Are you filming right
Yeah.
now? Still.
I am.
I forget that that's like you need to be filming randomly.
Yeah, she's a random kind of girl.
But it makes for shit like that to happen. You're like, oh no, we weren't filming. Like, oh, I was prepared for such an event.
Oh shit.
I'm like, if she doesn't allow 9 I would just say that. I think she's gonna.
Amy, Fanny Cat.
I need that for my trip back tomorrow.
Oh, someone's picked my half.
I think Voldemort just invaded the people's minds. Right, so we're just going to do this, and we're going to talently get this out of the microwave.
It'll be hot.
I know, that's why I've got sleeves. Oh no, my camera battery's flashing. Fuck. Good thing I charged up another one. Oh shit. No. There we go.
I'm not packed, but sure, I think it should take me 5 minutes if that.
Yeah, I've got it.
I've got to look at what she's taking back to the dad and what I'm taking back to mine. So I've got two different things. I'll just double check if stuff I dropped to make sure.
I dropped the lid. Fuck's sake. Okay, I'm gonna eat now.
I'm currently having the coziest dinner with a pie.
Yeah.
Coziest dinner.
Do not let me forget the disc in the DVD
player.
what? Because my
Quite severe.
It's like you eat steelbooks.
Where's Lucy Lemon? Don't knock into me because I'm
Hobbit movie night. Hannah's.
not the Hobbit, it's the
Fuck! It's Lord. Right, start again. Lord of the Rings movie night. I've got my badass fruit shoot.
So we've got a massive plate of Chinese.
I've got my tuna pasta salad.
It is. You know what it is? It's a big fat fuck off Chinese.
I'm having my silly little tuna pasta salad.
Big fat fuck off tuna salad. It's not big, is it?
Yeah, I feel like that goes Please, into can I silly sit on difference. your footstool? Yeah.
Joining the party is mother.
Shall I start it?
Yeah, I've got popcorn as well. Sweet popcorn. Focus on the popcorn. I have popcorn for the event. Yes, let's go. Lord of the Rings time.
Oh, new lines. Is that new?
I almost said Hobbit again.
I watched way too
Sorry.
much to know what company that was before the logo came up. Is it going to start with like a big speech?
Yes. You have to listen to the speech.
Let's listen.
And he realises how
Aren't those
terrifying and how dangerous it would be if that is the One Ring.
Aren't those evil people?
Yes.
Yeah, they've got.
Oh yeah.
Right, I wasn't going to mention this, but Hannah thought it would be funny.
You to be like, I wasn't going to mention this, but guys,
I shat in the corner. No. Basically, there's been, we think that we might have left the door open at some point. We're not going to show you because we placed it, well, Hannah placed it strategically under a bowl. Shall I just name this vlog, I shat in our fireplace? I'll get me some views. No, it wasn't me.
The curry was really,
Really shit. The curry was absolutely shit.
The Chinese made my tummy a bit funny.
Yeah, right, so basically we like on the trip there was nothing down there, and then we came, we just noticed after watching Lord of the Rings that
There was a random shit.
there was animal shit. So we think an animal came in when we had left the door, but we did not leave the door open for very long, and somebody's jamming out.
It's the weirdest shit. Well, not the weirdest shit I've ever seen.
We did leave the door open, but like not for very long, so I don't know what's come in and shat on the floor. They all think it's me.
Yeah,
Why not? Why not really? But I've got my lavender spray, so I should be fine.
It doesn't smell. That's the weirdest
I know.
thing. And Lucy wanted to poke it with a stick. Consistency.
Oh God!
See if it was fresh or not.
Not me, Lucy.
The other one, the
not
freak
that
one.
Small Lucy.
Lucy.
Small Lucy.
But what?
I don't want these accusations being put against me.
Yeah, Lucy likes poking shit with sticks. Don't go near her, she's crazy. Right, I'm so sorry if you're watching this vlog and eating. Jesus, I'm so sorry.
Especially if it's Chinese.
Oh God. Or like fucking, I don't know, anything, literally anything. On that note, that's the end of the vlog. Jesus. We should.
Maybe it was Whitby Bunny.
Oh yeah, Lucy got Mum a bunny, like a jellycat bunny. And look, she called it Whitby, and it's the sunshine one. That's so cute. Maybe it was your bunny that shat in the fireplace.
No, it's okay.
No. Mine are 2 girls. Look, I've got the 2 girls over here. This is so cozy. I'm so sad that it's my last night sleeping in this dorm room because obviously I'll go back home to my normal bed, but my normal bed doesn't have curtains. And these are actually so freaking comfy. So what do I do now? Gotta go home back to my bed that is comfy and soft, but it's not in the common room. Oh.
Right,
I don't think...
I'm gonna get ready for bed.
Yeah,
I've left the hairdryer out.
This is a very cozy vibe that you've got going on there, Lucy.
Me?
Both of you got cozy. You're being cozy over here. Hello. Hello. We've got a little Hagrid lamp over there.
Yeah.
Which is about to be turned off.
Some of the pictures Hannah just sent.
Oh yeah, I was giving such a side eye in that. I don't know why.
She looks so moody.
Well, yeah, because she was trying to get a natural shot of me, and I kind of sussed her out, and then I didn't realise I looked that bad. Oh, I'm gonna miss this. It's just one last pan of the room as we're all cleaning it because we're messy.
Can we just put that down to me?
We're messy.
Just cleaning it.
Yeah, sorry, Mum's.
I cleaned it. No, I'm fine. It's just I love the way me puts the royal we as hair.
It's such like, even though it's a Gryffindor common room accommodation, this gives off Major Weasley vibes. The whole kitchen.
I'm Molly Weasley.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to clean up. I put your medicine in there.
Oh, thanks. But yeah. I'm gonna miss bed number 200 and... No, what? 23. Jeez. I'm gonna miss bed 23. I got the little window. Who else has a window? It's you, isn't it? Oh, come on. This is the end of the vlogs, guys. And we ended it on a pretty shit note. I've explained it. No pun intended. I don't want you to go tomorrow. There's no point in vlogging tomorrow because they will be out so fast. And we'll be gone so fast there'll be nothing to vlog. It'll just be me running after a car. Like this, probably. In theory. But yeah. I love it here. I would highly recommend staying here. If you're a Brit or if you're an American coming to Britain. No, stop going on the shit point. I'm pretty sure it was our fault. We just don't know when it was. Because it wasn't here when we got here, therefore we must have left the door open. It was our responsibility. Anyway, do you want to say bye to the vlogs?
Goodbye vlog, I'm very tired. Goodbye vlog, I hope you're having a good day, whoever's watching the vlog.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, me too. Ditto. Okay, Lucy's turn.
I'll see you in the next one.
She lives with me.
Somehow in them.
She always shows up even when I don't want her to. Say bye-bye, Hannah.
Bye-bye, Hannah.
Bye-bye. Oh, I knew you were going to do that. Say bye, Mum.
Bye, Mum.
Oh, you know what? Okay. Ugh. So, I'm balancing you on some Pringle. Don't do that. Okay, so this is the end of the vlogs. Hope you enjoyed them. It's been very fun. Yeah, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, bitches. High five.
That was a hug.